How to change phone number or email of your Instagram account on iPhone iOS device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number or your email of your Instagram account on your iPhone or iOS device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply open up your Instagram and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now here I'll just log into my account real quick. Once you're logged in here, let this load up. You should get an interface of what it'll load up here, somewhat like this. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen right here. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen here. Once you tap on it here, what you want to do is you want to head into very first option, settings and privacy. Now in the settings and privacy, you can see the very first option, account center. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on account center here, accounts meta center should open up. Now here you can see account personal details. You can either head into personal details option here and you can see contact info, their email and phone number. You want to simply tap on it, and here you can simply tap on it. Suppose you want to change your email, you can tap on it here and you can simply tap on delete email. You want to delete this email and you want to simply tap on add new contact option at the bottom of your screen, and you can add another phone mobile number or email. So you want to remove or you want to add new one and then you want to remove the previous one. This way you can change your phone number or email on your Insta on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.